We saw a sign that said Paarl Mountain Reserve, so we just turned down this dirt road. Hey, little guy. Alrighty, we just wanted to see that turtle. High risk area, please note, does not conform to modern road design. Please drive slowly and very carefully. Heard that. So another random dirt road we're driving down. We're hoping to find some trails.
It's so much more to the Western Cape than just Cape Town. Just look at this.
Alright, looks like we found some place to park. I think we're the only ones up here. Paarl Mountain Nature Reserve. Michael says we're ready for you. All right, let's do some exploring. It's turned into a jungle. My mom told me she wanted one thing. We talked about, souvenirs and, all that touristy stuff. And all my mom asked of me was to get a rock from every country we go. And I'm gonna write on it where we got it from. And I think right here is a pretty perfect spot. So mommy, I'm gonna find you a rock here in Paarl on this big rock. I love you.
Sitting in the grotto right now on top of this mountain, and I would definitely say it's worth it. So if you guys are in Paarl, come to the Paarl Nature Reserve. It's worth the hike, and there's no one here. So
and it's free.
Yeah, and it's best of all, it's all free. So pack some snacks.
Yes.
Come do a picnic over here.
This is great. It's so peaceful, and like you said, we're the only ones here. There's nobody around. It's really awesome.
So we're gonna get some more views.
How cool is this? Got you your rock, mommy. feel like we could have spent all day here, but we're running out of water and we didn't bring any snacks. So we're gonna head back down now. And then we did book an Airbnb in where?
Wellington.
Wellington. So we're gonna head back down, go to our Airbnb, check in, and then probably get a snack later. But this was amazing. If you could see this, it really feels like you are on top of the world and at the end of the world. I hope the footage does it justice because it's really amazing.
Yeah, definitely recommend. So if you're ever in Paarl, come to Paarl Nature Reserve.
Yeah.